Abusia obi bonyumbi ose konkonseni bebre eya hwe ne hyebre konkonseni bebro eya hwe ne hyebre eno bi fro so ebonyumbi ye kan untie no dabi na behu sese amno gese de kevne community na nya bre ewo Captain Smart so Captain Smart Captain Koje Smart eden sembi abetudwa aize efa kewintira ho aka efa kewintira ho Captain Smart echirim se eyo no kura na je se o kire Kevin Taylor media adwuma on a tete no de Kevin Taylor be share on Captain Smart nsa ema ono na nature no o tete Kevin Taylor ema Kevin Taylor be hunu media adwuma ye Captain Smart I can see we on the platform so ama Kevin Taylor abi exposing a big time afire am say papa o kasa mesrewa any demo se me ma sem na wo kan dia ene me yemfa me share one side be biata na wo bo media kasa eya aka no kre aha Penyah block media mesrewa say any demo obe like video that one subscribe button and say click bell notification and the latest update na be chere wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment section mesrewa so baswa no share video mo nua so enya bi ahwe Onua Captain Koje Smart on Onua TV Onua Showtime Obekan sembi afa Kevin Taylor ho amasia na apagya atrega ama Kevin Taylor abayi kana adwen e de atre no obeka enche bia ye to be wie ye na Captain Smart agent the platforms bo Kevin Taylor baso den so Kevin Taylor ya de as young girl den nkwan to ama Ghana man just say was sacrifice ama Ghana
adwuma Kevin Taylor aye no
H0T
you think sir what you abroche but no soman kra ne ba
Mr. H wow
Chesa me in 2 years ya chime 39 times.
H no. Yep.
It is a Kevin Taylor han komeden kombe kunu.
H0T
Kombe kunu. And me danyame say am oba no oya na wabefem no koba wu no.
Hey, ni maku.
Ye aye nim ne yedim. Untimi. Fe media houses e wo Ghana ha wo mu CEO said that call meeting ko Jessica against Mahama minimo etu bie wa no pe me bolding me Mahama yam from so a me am me ntwen mo big car me ameka Mahama nye Commander Sugar Factory in my number 1 Uncle started Phase 2, KJT market in Mame. Mr. John Dramani Mahama. Sa hospital no CC affair no.
Yeah.
Oba wo de o man ho 7 months. Unprepared. Owie na ombia no ma sante mai. Because ne papa abetena chronoma francho. Ne papa abetena chronoma francho. Ayemfo bi ko je ekufo papa nna so. Obetena chronoma francho hwe ne ba no. Mani di 8 years.
H0T
Bahama papa, we fisirem, wa betena kumase chronoma francho, no we bie nani wo. Misi obi a wonim papa bi oye powerful, wo pa frɛ no. So on frɛ Bahama papa sunsum, no he baby otese ya.
H0T
Ɔte chronoma francho. Na sentroni bi a wonim. Titu Paul Adomo ke bema. Wo de on ka Bahama asem ya. Ba wo ze we wa chenglengeno.
But Mr. Iti ye be di bronya beto obeka correct Christmas tree.
Wo say?
Ye be di bronya. For adwo to beto correct Christmas.
Hwɛ. Ye du ba bi a on esese wo ani a pabo oman no. Wo susum bi a pabo oman no. Wo nimdie bi a ye mfa mo oman no. Etada me ko MPP meeting a. Wo mutu hwe manim de no say what happened? And I'm say direction. Ah, and the platforms now was through I own kind messages.
How you people?
What say? Some guy.
Wa akuma mu de unya e.
O da bi guy.
Wait.
There be Kwame Nkrumah ba no. Oko UGCC MPP. Ojaye. Me so ba no. Ba ko MPP. Me jai.
Oh good.
No me jai.
Okay.
No, me jai. Okay. MPP wa say pa why no de be 2028. Ala no ma je o mo kopa na chopa enu mpo no ohima bi e o Ghana ha ona betumi ni ala na kasa enu mpo me nye sure me abaya bi e friend ya baby oba me ho bebu sa me o say obi na so na baba o me ya And I told her, said, Madam, endu ba omi aso e mamu nya no yodom. If you say ofi prekope Paul sen moja beba. Endu ni so. Enti na na adom ye no yodom no. Na wo mo ye no against J Kufo. Pe Kufo oye bosom.
Yeah, baby.
Se wuni ma me catch J Kufo na ote wo sa. Oye bosom. Well, sir, ote hwile mo te ase.
Yeah, baby.
Ase te be dey to akampa so.
Oh, General.
J Kufo oye bosom. Se bia wunnim no.
He is smart.
Me pere me tibi kana say we wan ye ye.
He is smart. He is unique.
Patrai. Wana memu ohu. Patrai.
Captain
What's that say
Smart.
bibi we ase. And nesenka ba omi ete ne ho ase na oye bold catch na say let me step aside and come back later.
Yeah, dada no.
Eno omo dada no.
Yeah, dada no.
Omo dada na. No mo dey be see. MPP flag bearership akonwa no so.
MPP4.
Okay, watch this. Professor Dubois he be the MPP flag bearer no we dey feel say. Your age bi wo ho a won cross ya. Won dey fa oton kan MPP akonwa so. Unless
MPP4.
e could do 2032. And fie bi wo ho a won dey ya wo do to ka so a wo be report. Cause
Yeah,
akonwa no ebuburo na omode ye nyankoma de 1992 no. Ebuburo no dem fie bai or the age e bai. Obi aso MPP4. Some fair buburo nya nyankoma de. Ebuburo na MPP de ye nyankoma de no for the party no. Or the age by.
Adebe yeso de said.
What's it?
Adebe yeso de said.
Ena Mahama hu say buburo no 2012. Ana ne me Ghana for the diagro.
Abubro kosia Adebe.
Ena Mahama ko hu ebuburo no chiri no ofafa doves no. 2016 2012 team. Edu 2016 no. Na Mahama my ebuburo na artificial. On say, omu training doves no. Said about or kasa ebuburo no kwa consider better. It was artificial. Mahama should have gone the natural way, but that time no, na envoy.
Oh, okay.
Na envoy. Eti age bi o ha wundi ya. MPP presidential akonya no wunti fa oton kasa.
Captain Smart.
That is why me pesamia wuku asempa. On train kakra. Unya no ho abotre. So free prekope ponese a ne yem mehwie.
Uye buburo nkosi awate. Sanyame fi ubeye ya.
And
Won say why?
what there is ne say. Mahama fie nine no.
Mahaba is just a bit different.
O say
It's just a bit different.
He is
obedi 4
smart.
years. But Mahama nye greedy.
Captain Smart.
Sasa oyobi a ho. So Mahama yobi a. Aka say our 185 MPs.
No, because you know the Americans are the same. If I will be to check the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana,
As it two
consecutive times or two consecutive terms
Terms.
granted.
Anya two.
Mahama ND akonya two consecutive terms.
When do one on for 2 years so obedi 4 years. Onua aka 4. Yeman and
Onua and 4.
I don't know who the NDC will fail 2028. But 2028 say MPP ni NDC anya careful o me in the position.
Captain Smart. The king of morning shows.
Very official announcement, Anna.
Opposition e wo MPP.
He is smart.
Obo na paso pe ese Kevin Taylor wa ya ade internet Jesus obo no homoden. Emu na Captain Smart enkasa to aso o be wo mo se oh Kevin Taylor kura wo bo na basi kura no. Ono Captain Smart ene chere Kevin Taylor adwuma na owo Fox FM ana Kevin Taylor papa ayo odo hene. Edi Kevin Taylor be se ono Captain Smart enza se me say me man ye media adwuma endi chere na adwuma ma me. Emma Captain Smart chere ono na tete Kevin Taylor ewo Fox FM.
Kevin Taylor, the papa said that they be share me in South Fox FM. We share Kevin Taylor Bisano. I trained Kevin Taylor to become a presenter. We mama catch on the Bisano. Kevin Taylor not a sports presenter. Yeah, the name brand me was Fox. Kevin Taylor, I will send you this video. My brother, how are you? And Crawford tin near my say. So they insult you and they come and insult me. They don't know that we are not interested in cash. We are interested in Mother Ghana. Kelvin, you gotta do this. I didn't wait to work with 24 receptions.
Emua ana kem na kobarita so there be. Video ya bedru nanim. I just say eye Captain Smart. Na we dey compare so be kebe dan so. Manen kebi. Kevin tell am enkasemu ana on say DJ e dey reception bi o she bi beto one be ma Captain Smart. Obe defend the Captain Smart kakra.
NMC issues final warning to Onua TV and Captain Smart. Yes, the National Media Commission. I issue a warning. Sebio, Oma Atom Krama Captain Smart and any Onua FM TV for say, hey, yeah, Tim warning. Someone Shamaka Samuya, the Ababani Diamuntumi, National Media Commission. Now, so kind of reasons in Tia. Almost say, almost warning Captain Smart any Onua TV for now, a bell straight. Almost say Captain Smart, I can say. Eye kuruna yetimono soja fono sebio omon pese ombehwe so ema eye den omran no yebudi ye and I almost say yeah, in fact I need to read the exact thing. It's quite interesting. In fact, so already Mr. P, if you can get me that, I'll be very happy. Let me see. I think Mr. P, get me the story, please. Get me I need to read the full story. Send a Ghana for the reason NMC for Gina so can say Omoma Onua TV the Captain Smart warning. Now me read the reason each I want to say in Kwasia buying the DSO. Mr. P. I was supposed to have it here. I don't have it here. If you can get me the full story because it's not showing on the system. If you can get me the full story, Medridi Emma Ghana phone and the Kudia NMC National Media Commission for Gina Swa. Catch the Captain Smart ni Onua FM, Onua TV4. Say. Okay, thank you. All right, thank you, Mr. S. I can see you sent the link. All right. Okay, so this is the story. This is the link. My main kind reasoning short. Thank you, Mr. S. Almost say. We'll read this story now. In a press statement dated Tuesday, November 14, 2023, signed and issued by the Executive Secretary George Sapon, the NMC said, and I quote, "Last week, your station carried an insightful broadcast in which Captain Smart directly insulted the Chief of Defense Staff and other commanders of the Ghana Armed Forces." I must say, now what you me, Captain Smart. Armed Forces in Penyah da no Captain Smart edidi o matem anything NMC for troll let akoma Onua TV NMC for someone tiasie say last week Captain Smart kasatia soldier from Penyah more Ghana main kind of indwedwem. Captain Smart claimed the officers embezzled monies meant for soldiers on peacekeeping operations, but offered no evidence to back his claims. This was as dangerous as it was unprofessional. Almost say Captain Smart can say, soldier from Penyah no sikebia was a common soldier from Nkitwa, and Momadico peacekeeping no, Omatina so, and a Sebio, Captain Smart as more kind of one vangina Subiamba. Now NMC4, soldier from Gono, Sebio Omiumu. Soldier from Penyah a Ghana Armed Forces one mono. Omo Sebio Omiumuana. Soldier for Omni Press Department. Ghana military no motiwano. So Omotiwana so be Kasama to Obuswa. In Penyah no motiwano without due respect, Omiumumu. Ghana Army. Adai a cage. Ghana military. Adai Omo Fafranto. Omunya Penyah. Omuni press secretaries. Omuni a department that speaks for the army. How come say the National Media Commission when a mobile betcha say Asameka for Bino ono crampona or ye boneno on Babontin Becase or ye bonnet? The Ghana military have they issued a statement that they have not taken any money from any soldier? They themselves now Captain Smart say Oma Bosakro no Omo Tigana Omo Pro Omo ye nipa, omo go school, omo kinkai, omo nim nokure, omo betume issue statement. What is stopping the Ghana Armed Forces leadership from issuing a statement? Now mo NMC no, mo na mo be say police for the soldier for do be jimi, mo na mo nim nyansa, enti mo be ka o masama mo mo. Enkwasi aban, de bia ye nyankwasi institutions. Near to now, Okwa story ni I say. You may recall that on December 8, 2022, we drew your attention to the use of your station to promote violence against the state and your management's lack of capacity to address same. Almost say, Yabeka said 2022. Almost your letter be break Captain Smart no near TV say. Almost show no more, almost the day, almost the air cost violence against state institutions. With me, I don't agree with everything Captain Smart says on the show. I cannot even trust Captain Smart. I'm being honest with you. Captain Smart has two mouths. And I cannot sit here and say that Captain Smart actually wants a change in government. He doesn't. Captain Smart is just heads saying the NPP have failed. But Captain Smart will be willing to allow the NPP to continue because Wama Ena Kuma at the NPP change with all due respect, but at no point did Captain Smart sit on his show to incite anybody against any state institution. I've never heard him do that. Maintain say Captain Smart again radio so and TV so I can say Obi Kobo soldier need to Obi Kobo police need to amount for Ntingu soldier force. And so what kind of violence and a Captain Smart ending the show now? I don't agree with him on some things, but when it comes to you trying to make label Captain Smart and in the show, they say it's a show that promotes violence. It means the NMC is one of the most shittiest agencies in Ghana. The government of the day, because Captain Smart didn't call for them, at a point they are criticizing this government. You want to find a way. Mona Mubabe played that role. That the Ghana army sitting there, the Ghana army sitting there, with all due respect, when somebody is denigrating you, what stops them from reacting? By releasing a statement and forcing Onua to come to court to tell the world that they have not taken any money meant for peacekeeping. Yanti Kroma, Yanti Kroma is a Komakachire.
1. Defaming or insulting the president. Now, I said this and got into trouble in Ghana. That insulting the president is not a crime. It used to be between 1969 and 2001. We removed it by law. So literally, he's insultable. I said this and got into trouble in Ghana. That insulting the president is not a crime. It used to be between 1969 and 2001. We removed it by law. So literally, he's insultable. Now, I said this and got into trouble in Ghana. That insulting the president is not a crime. It used to be between 1969 and 2001. We removed it by law. So literally, he's insultable.
These foolish ones calling themselves intellectuals is anoma times. Sanga or whatever. I'm working like a boo. He sat in Ghana, sat at John Mahama, president. Said the president is insultable. Even the president by your own people. By your own guys now, power no. Ghana say John Mahama is insultable because they wanted Ghanaians to insult the president. Even the president is Ankuma's stupid ideology, stupid definition of the Ghana's constitution. Or Ghana your press conference I say because John Mahama your president he's insultable. Now Captain Smart did this so you know or no president. If Captain Smart has even insulted a military man, is the military man above the president? And press letters that more release and win him answer. But see, the NMC is one of the most stupid agencies in Ghana. You think you can bully people not to speak about MPP? You fools on the NMC board. You people think you can use your stupid office nobody regards to intimidate or gag the media. You are mad. Oh, so you've been in this country all this while. Yeah, and Japan, Ejina radio, so Ejina TV, so we should go and bend John Mahama down. NMC, were you not here? Near Tigruma. And I can Japan, John Mahama, near Kuno, near Tigruma. But you were here. You did not release any statement. You did not question or caution Kennedy Japan say in seminar or kind as a statesman. It is not.
Emu ana for batisi Captain Smart na kada so. No just Captain Smart. You dey mo a. Ni dey mo yem papa panyin me bu pa me ma respect kese. But Fox FM dear. Fox FM dear. Fox FM pa dear. Se ma ye adwuma ho da na se ma ba Fox FM krada. E bia ne na eye dayim. Ben ni so pa dear. Honorable me defend we nye.
Kevin Taylor, ne papa said that they be share me on Fox FM. We share Kevin Taylor Bisano. I trained Kevin Taylor to become a presenter. We ni mama catch on the Bisano. Kevin Taylor not a sports presenter. Yeah, the name brand me was Fox. Kevin Taylor, I will send you this video. My brother, how are you? Microphone 10 near my say. So they insult you and they come and insult me. They don't know that we are not interested in cash. We are interested in Mother Ghana. Kelvin, you gotta do this. I didn't waste you with 24 receptions, 500 rooms.
So this is Captain Smart this morning, and as a senior brother, maybe I know the power say you gotta do this, and I'll say, I think the captain has a point. Meridian Hotel, we come and come time no musie. His issue, say, government upon government, they did not take care of that hotel. Ma, man complete. He feels to say, as a journalist, he has to speak on it, and people like us, or mention other names, we all have to speak on it because we have been speaking on everything. Now, that issue is one, but I want to correct a few things. Emma Captain Tias here. I need to do it because, Captain, you are a senior brother. My catch will say you as a person there, we no problem. But when it comes to your job, I have a lot of problems with it. Debi amemaka, oh yeah MPP ni, obeto am MPP. I don't have a problem. And Debiano Maka say, if you are doing the job, that means who say where you are heading is wrong, I will say it in your face. There's one correction I need to make or two. Captain Smart, Kevin Taylor, I have never worked at Fox FM. And I'm saying this on record. Say Obi or Fox FM or Onematina Fox FM studio and that newsroom there, that person can come out and say it. I have never worked at Fox FM in my life. My father never took me to you at Fox FM. I'm swearing on my life on this matter. After school, I walked to Fox FM myself. You were having a show. When we were walking out of your studio, I told you my application and what I wanted to do. You said yes. That was the last time I spoke to you. You never held my hand. You have not even met my dad before. I don't know whether you've met him before, but my father has never walked to Fox FM with me. And so Obia Juma of Fox FM. That's on Nematina newsroom of Fox. Minim newsroom kratie. Fox FM studios. Minim Sidia, it looks like.
What I say? Any so part of the Abian Fox FM and Captain Smart can air die. But Kevin says, any so pass on that Captain Smart air capadia. Any what dear. Oh, new year so by a Fox FM. On see what that. On see what say Captain say. I'm a say Captain Smart. The new egg oh yeah, yes, be penny who condense more canon. Do na make sense. Or Casabe, everyone knew who had to be Casa Bagua, Casa 10 at the end of the day. This way, Kenyan and Tropha and Trunk one. Shall I watch your mamma? Our conversation. I Penyah Blog Media. Accra.